Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. Today we are working on a 2010, 11, 12, 13, etc. Chevy Camaro Rally Sport RS. Sorry for the blur. I guess the lighting in the back is making it blur. Well, today we're going to be working on taking care of your rough idle on your engine. If you're driving and then you come to a stop and it's like, you can feel it on the steering wheel. So then, throttle body. How do you know if it's your throttle body? Well, when you get this type of grease in here, sometimes it won't let the latch close right or open correctly, and you have a rough idle. So you will need, for this job, you will need a 10 millimeter socket with a little extension. Boom, 2, 3, and 4. A little ratchet, and you will need a throttle body and air intake cleaner. You can buy this at O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Advanced Auto, whichever you like. So take this apart. Okay, let me take this off. I'll be right back. Alrighty, and we're back. So I took it off. That's the back of the throttle body. It ain't too dirty, but it is dirty. Whoever did the last cleaning on this one scratched the heck out of that plate. So you can see on the top where I rub my finger, look at all that. That comes off with your throttle body cleaner. So set that there. Take a throttle body cleaner, stir it, shake it, and sorry about the pizzas. We'll just dump that out of the way. Perfect. And we'll continue with our throttle body cleaning. Show you. Usually you want to have a shop vac rag so you can wipe it down. Oh, yeah, I should have known. Well, if you didn't know, now you know. That's what throttle body does to a paper plate. It dissolves the heck out of it. So there you go, it's coming into place. It's starting to clear out. Get the little straw. Okay, so get the little straw with us now. It's actually better. And just a pro tip: don't mess with that. Don't swing it in, don't pull it out, don't push it in or anything, because since it being electric, supposedly it can deprogram this program, and you will have some throttle body issues. So do not flip it open. That's a curiosity as to how does it move. Big no-no, according to professionals. Once that's done, you want to get yourself a rag and just wipe it down in there. Get all that gunk out of there, because you want your throttle body to idle down perfect without a rough idle. I mean, while you're parked at a light. And a buddy of mine uses soap and water. Yeah, I don't use soap and water. Easy peasy. There you go. Looks way better than before. So, with that done, all you do is just put it back in place. Put it back in place just like that. Boom. Put the 4 bolts back in there. Snug them. Snug them with your finger first. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so you're gonna set this here. It's on top of the air filter. That's why it looks a little bright in the bottom. So I don't have a stand, I don't have a tripod. So this is how you're gonna do it. You're gonna put your bolts in there, you know. Set them in. Just like that. Remember, there's 4. The other one goes all the way over here in the bottom. So, this is what you want to do first. You want to get your socket, 10mm socket, and just tight it up with your hand. Not so tight. There you go. Once you start feeling the first bit of tightness, and you go on to the next one. Just make sure that your throttle body is centered and positioned correctly. Just do that, and then crisscross it. I like to crisscross it. I feel more comfortable. If you can't see it, I'm very sorry. There you go. And you wanna just snug them first with your fingers or hand. This way you know how much strength you're putting on them. You're not over tightening one or the other one, just until you can't turn it anymore with your fingers. And you go ahead and get your ratchet, and this is a trick that I do. Since I started here, my ratchet facing that way. Oh, rookie mistake. There you have it. As an L. Pick it up. Boom, it's snugged. Same way. L. Pick it up. It's snugged. L. Lift it. Snugged. L. L. Lift. Super snugged right there. Okay, so now you do it again. L. There you have it. L. There you have it. L. There you have it. So that's how you want to tighten up your throttle body. It's perfect. Not over tightening these, because this is plastic. This is plastic right here. If you unthread that or you strip it, then you're gonna have a hard time, or you're gonna have to purchase a whole thing. Never over tighten these. Don't forget about your connector. Once you put your connector in there, put your lock seal on there. You come back and you take this, snug it, flat head, tighten it up just like so. Don't forget about your pipe right here. Connect it. Perfect. Then we'll get your air filter. Set it in place like so. This here is your connector for your air intake, which is over here. I did clean that one with the Moss Flow sensor cleaner, just to be safe and know that it is clean, because you just cleaned the throttle body. Give me about a second. Let me set this right here. Okay, I can't set it. All right, I'm gonna bring this in. Let me hook this up. Be right back. Okay, there we go. So on the end of this, there's 1, 2, and 3 in the bottom. 3 lips. You have to put them in their sockets, just like so. And then you just press this down, and you just push this down. There you have it. Don't forget about your inlet. It'll snap. Did you hear that snap? Ow. Okay, watch. And that's how you do it. Then lock it. And that's how you clean your throttle body. Then you go onto your car, you turn it on, and you're gonna feel a difference. If you don't feel the difference, then you might want to look into your spark plugs and your oil change. As always, this car came in for a throttle body cleaning. Well, it didn't come in for that, but I did the throttle body cleaning because it threw a code in the computer and the scan tool. So I cleaned that, and hopefully that took care of the problem. If not, we'll look into the spark plugs, which is 1 coil, 2 coils, 3 coils. Under that, you'll find your spark plug. There they are. Coils. And for that type of job, you will need a 10mm bolt as well. A 10mm ratchet as well. To take off all 3 from this side, all 3 from that side. And you can just pop it off. Well, hopefully this video helped you on this easy job. And on to the next job. Good luck and God bless. As always, like and share, subscribe. Amen to that.